Hey beautiful naturals! Did you know that the secret to glowing skin and healthy hair could be sitting right in your kitchen? Today, I'm showing you how to make pure aloe vera gel that will nourish your skin, strengthen your hair, and keep your scalp healthy, all naturally. Stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome to Cassia Naturals. We share easy DIY natural beauty tips that actually work. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Why aloe is amazing, 040 to 120. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. It soothes irritated skin, reduces inflammation, promotes hair growth, and keeps your scalp moisturized. Plus, it's 100% natural and free from harsh chemicals. What you'll need. Here's what you'll need to make pure aloe vera gel. 1 fresh aloe vera leaf. A clean knife. A spoon. A blender or food processor. A clean jar for storage. Step-by-step process. 1. Cut the leaf. First, wash your aloe leaf thoroughly. Then, cut off the spiky edges on both sides. Next, slice the leaf open and use a spoon to scoop out the clear gel. Make sure you avoid the yellow part, it can be irritating to the skin. 3. Blend, 230 to 250. Place the gel in a blender and blend until smooth. This will give you a silky, smooth aloe gel perfect for skin and hair applications. Pour your aloe gel into a clean jar and store it in the fridge. It stays fresh for up to 2 weeks. How to use. For skin, apply a thin layer on your face or body as a moisturizer or after sun exposure. For hair, massage it into your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing. Your hair will feel soft, hydrated, and stronger. Pro tip: add a few drops of vitamin E oil to boost the benefits.
Oh Christ, whose mercy like a river flows, in gratitude my heart its song bestows. From sin's abyss your love has set me free. In awe of grace I bow my head to thee. Thy mercy's breath